Hello, my tea lovers! Ever dreamed of sipping your favorite tea right where it's born? Surrounded by rolling hills and misty plantations. Welcome to Ooty, the queen of hill stations, where tea is not just a drink, it's a tradition. Today I am taking you inside the Ooty tea factory where the aroma of fresh leaves and the magic of tea making will leave you craving more. So I'm going to share my Ooty tea factory experience, which is located just 4 kilometers from Ooty city on the scenic Doddabetta Road. The Ooty tea factory sits at a cool altitude of 1839 meters, spread across an acre. This place is not just a factory, it's a tea lover paradise. From plucking fresh tea leaves to drying, rolling and finally packaging that perfect cup, you'll see it all. The factory also has a unique tea museum where you will learn about tea journey from China to India and how the Nilgiris became a pioneer in tea production and export. Here's the video. And one of the coolest parts, watching the CTC process, that is cutting, twisting, curling, happen right in front of your eyes. And yes, there's a video walkthrough that explains each stage, withering, drying and shifting. And at last, packaging too. And of course, what's a visit without a hot cup of tea? Whether you are into cardamom, masala, ginger green or classic black, there's something here to awaken your taste buds. So from the fresh mountain air to the rich aroma of tea, visiting the Ooty tea factory is a sensory journey you don't want to miss. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more travel and culture stories and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until then, bye bye, take care.